Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you basic designs for red nail polish step by step guide. But are your thin brush and A-stone brush. We got easy reference on the classic red manicure that you can do at home. Here are simple red nail design step by step guide. Number one design is metallic moon design. The bold red base color is amplified by the metallic moon at the base. Go for a gold sparkly gold design in red nail polish. Number two design is delicate detail. Technically tangerine red, but it looks so good. We are willing to bend the rules slightly. This design is topped with a delicate leaf design on the ring finger, very stable and pretty. Number three design is cartoon nails. Channel your inner Betty Boop with this design. Paint the nail a red base coat, then you use a brush to outline the complete nail. Next, create the 3D effect by adding white detail to the outer edges. Cover with a glossy top coat and you are good to go. Next design is red plaid. Buffalo plaid is a fall favorite no longer. Conform to just final to get the pattern on your nails. Start by painting them a shiny base code red. Use a liqueur like these one for the ultimate effect. Next draw the pattern using black for that extra look. Shape your nails to a stiletto point. Next design is Supreme Nails. Let's file this in advance at home. Nail art category. It can be achieved by using a red matte base and applying gold decals. Also, a small nail stencil can create the supreme lettering, or you can try white decals. If you are a legit artist, put your white paints and thin brush to work. Next design is Stars No Stripes. It's 4th of July every day with this nail art. A red base coat is enhanced with oversized stars that cover the whole nail. Our next design is the upside down. Add a healthy dose of color of painting the underside of your nails in a contrasting hue. Move to next design is metallic touch. Make a red nail instantly more glamorous with a metallic accent. Start with a clear base coat and then paint your half moon in gold. Let dry, then fill in the rest of the nail in your favorite red polish. Finish with a top coat. Our last design is varsity stripes. Retro inspired varsity sweaters, jackets and sneakers and trending, and the look can be extended. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.